Paul,
so,
do you want to go film in the desert today?
I think so.
Cool, let's go. Had to make a little pit stop, get gas before we head on out. We're about halfway there. What'd you get us? Water. That high quality H2O. All right, let's go. We are back for another week of Cocktails with Carson. This week, we're doing the Vodkarita. First, we'll start off by pouring in 3 ounces of the Absolute. So we're just gonna pour it into our mixer here. Let's go ahead and do another 1.5 ounces. And I've gotten a lot better at pouring. As you can tell, I've been practicing, so we don't have too many drippies. All right, 3 ounces of that, that's completed. Let's go ahead and slice this lime. I want to say shout out to my friend Paul. He was here with me a couple days ago while we were out here, and he flew in from Charlotte just to kind of hang out, and he did a great job behind the camera, but unfortunately none of that footage was good. So yeah, shouts out to him. Glad he made it back safe to Charlotte. So we're just going to try to muscle this lime juice out. Good stuff, good stuff. And then the second one. Thirdly, what we got going on, and the first time I did this, it went everywhere. This whole desk was sticky. So let's try to be a little more careful with it this time around. We're gonna do 1 ounce. There it goes. That's smooth, that's smooth. Whew, that looks good. And the needles twist because it has a tendency to stay onto the shot glass. There we go. That looks good. It's plenty of enough. We already have ice located in our mixer, so what we'll do is we'll put the top on here, make sure that's sturdy, and then we'll do a real professional shake. Watch this. Important thing is to watch your facial expressions while you're doing it, because you don't want to look like you don't know what you're doing. So just a casual look. There we go. Let me run and get some ice. Okay, I'm back with the ice. Let's go and drop these cubes in there. This is just your standard at-home ice. I see all these professional bartenders and they have the real fancy blocks, or they're chipping it off somehow, but just your standard at-home ice will work. All right, so we've already shaken this. Let's go and pour it in. Let's see how this turns out. Woo! Should I drink out here? Maybe a sip won't hurt. Let's see. Sweet mercy, that is good. Whew. Shout out to Ken on the Rising Tide bar on the Harmony of the Seas. He showed me that one. Always recommend using fresh limes instead of that bottled stuff. You're going to tell a huge difference in quality. So that's it for this video. Thank you all for tuning in. I wanted to let everybody know that all the drinks that we pour up on Cocktails with Carson are drinks that I have discovered on our past cruises that I want to forward on to y'all. That way, when you get on your cruises, you know exactly what drinks to get. That way you're taking full advantage of your drink packages. Go ahead, follow us on Instagram at 9to5cruises. We just passed 2,000 followers. That's huge for us. Super excited, so I hope you all enjoy the content on there. But for now, what we'll do is say bye, and we'll see you next week.